Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with TIPS. Do you want to speak English more naturally and confidently? In today's lesson, you will learn 5 essential English phrases that native English speakers use every day. For each phrase, you will learn the meaning, the pronunciation, when to use it, common mistakes, several real-life examples, a short conversation, practice sentences. So, get your notebook ready, repeat after me, and let's start learning. Phrase 1, how's it going? Meaning, how's it going? Means, how are you? How is everything? It is a friendly greeting. Example, friend, how's it going? You, it's going great. Another example, teacher, how's it going today? Student, pretty good. Thank you, more answers, great, pretty good, not bad, I'm doing well, everything is fine. Mini conversation, David, hi, Emma. Emma, hi, David. David, how's it going? Emma, it's going well. How about you? David, I'm doing great. Practice, repeat after me. How's it going? It's going great, everything is fine, pretty good. Phrase 2, can you help me? Meaning, you use this phrase when you need someone's help. It is polite and very common. Example, can you help me with my homework? Can you help me find the station? Can you help me open the door? Mini conversation, tourist, excuse me. Can you help me? Woman, of course. Tourist, where is the bus station? Woman, it's across the street. Tourist, thank you. Practice, repeat. Can you help me? Can you help me, please? Thank you for your help. Phrase 3, I don't understand. Meaning, you say this when something is difficult to understand. Don't feel shy. Native speakers also say this. Example, I don't understand this word. I don't understand the question. I don't understand what you mean. Better expressions, could you explain it again? Could you say that more slowly? Could you repeat that? Conversation, teacher, please finish the assignment by tomorrow. Student, sorry, I don't understand. Teacher, no problem, let me explain again. Practice, repeat. I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Phrase 4, that sounds great. Meaning, you use this phrase when someone gives you a good idea or invitation. Example, let's watch a movie. That sounds great. Let's have dinner together. That sounds great. Let's visit the park. That sounds great. Conversation, Anna, let's go shopping tomorrow. Lisa, that sounds great. Anna, see you tomorrow. Lisa, see you. Practice, repeat. That sounds great. That's a good idea. I'd love to. Phrase 5, see you later. Meaning, this phrase means goodbye for now. You will meet the person again. Example, see you later. See you tomorrow. See you next week. See you soon. Conversation, John, I have to go now. Mike, okay. See you later. John, see you. Practice, repeat. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you soon. Bye. Review, today we learned 5 essential English phrases. 1, how's it going? 2, can you help me? 3, I don't understand. 4, that sounds great. 5, see you later. These phrases are used every day by English speakers. Practice them with your friends, family, or by speaking to yourself in front of a mirror. The more you repeat them, the more confident your English will become. Outro, thank you so much for watching Learn English with TIPS. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Write one of today's phrases in the comments and make your own example sentence. I love reading your comments. Keep practicing every day, keep speaking English with confidence, and I'll see you in the next lesson. See you later and happy learning.